here on my very first Flavors of New York in 2026 on the Upper West Side. We're going to a place called Verdello. Let's go and check it out.
Yes, let's.
Welcome to Verdello.
Hi.
Wow.
Nice to meet you.
Gorgeous, Melissa.
I'm Ron. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Thanks
to
for
meet
having
you.
Flavors of New York here.
See you guys over here.
Absolutely. This is such a gorgeous space.
I'll bring out some fornarina bread that we make here, as well as parmigiana di melanzane. We make this it's a Sicilian style of making it. We bake it and then we put it in our brick oven, where we put a bit of burrata afterwards, as well as a bit of drizzle of olive oil and a bit of basilico on top. It comes in a copper plate, so you can taste everything. And we're also going to bring out some carrots, pesto, and raisins. It's a new salad.
Here we go. Well, it looks really healthy.
I think it's a spectacular idea, and I love heirloom veggies. They smell phenomenal.
Smell, I'm breathing in goodness.
Dish comes with a sweet potato puree, as well as broccolini that we charred in our brick oven. We put a bit of Calabrian oil on it.
Nice crunchy sweetness of the puree. It's very unsuspecting, but very, very good.
That's the healthiest thing I've eaten in a month.
And then we're going to continue with our specialty pizzas. We have a potato pizza, where we make the potato in our brick oven. We bake it, and then we put a bit of red bell peppers, goat cheese, as well as the potato. We're also going to have you guys taste a burrata pizza, where we cook it with andouille sausage, as well as burrata.
So I do have a question, just because I did tell you how I am gluten-free, but when I travel to Italy, I'm able to eat the pizzas and the pasta because they use 00. Do you guys also use 00 here?
Of course, that's a great question. And I do want to mention that we do use 00 blue caputo flour. We do let the dough ferment about 48 hours prior to baking it.
We're here with the sausage.
I say potato.
Look at this one. Another little bing.
Cheers.
There we go. Look at how fresh. It tastes perfect.
Wow.
I like
Oh
crust.
my gosh. This reminds me of fresh white pizza I used to get growing up in the Bronx as a kid. But obviously elevated, of course, because you're on the Upper West Side. But wowzers. So good.
And we're going to continue with the pastas afterwards, where you're going to be tasting a pappardelle with lamb ragu. It's a specialty of Tuscany. We're going to continue afterwards. We're going to go a bit more south of Italy, where we're going to have you guys taste a spaghettoni seafood. The spaghettoni, we make it here, and it comes with mussels, clams, shrimps, calamari, and a San Marzano tomato sauce. And then for our entrees, I would love you guys to taste our octopus dish that comes with a potato puree, seasoned octopus with paprika, and Campari tomatoes.
We have seafood. We have ragu. You have the shrimp?
I have some shrimp. We also have some of my favorite, which I can't wait, octopus.
Yeah. That shrimp is divine. Now for the ragu and lamb. Is it lamb? Ragu and lamb.
I'm excited for my gluten-free pasta with ragu. Quite the feast.
Take a little clam. Dig for clams. Amazing.
octopus is by far one of my favorite things to order whenever I go to a restaurant.
Really?
So I'm super excited to try this. Cheers.
109th Street octopus. Can't get better.
I'd come uptown for that.
What goes on during the week? What do you have to offer?
So we started first introducing our happy hour, which is from 4 to 6:30. It includes all the pizzas, the pastas that you see on the menu for $15, as well as Aperol spritz. We also have a Hugo spritz, and our red wine or white wine that we change every week. This week, for instance, we have a Sangiovese Donna Laura, and for the white wine, we will have a Pecorino. On the weekends, introducing brunch as well. We have a brunch menu now. We're open from 11 to 3 every Saturday and Sunday. Here we have some plum grappa, as well as a, this one is a chestnut. It's made out of chestnuts. It's a grappa as well. It's made out of chestnuts.
Do we shoot it or we just
No, you sip it.
sip it? Okay, I was about
It's
to
a
shoot
cordial. Wow.
it. Ooh, that's strong. I like strong. Oh boy.
So now to the dessert.
Wow.
Over here we have some of our pistachio cannolis. We do make them out of Sicilian wheat, as well as the ricotta filling. We make it here. We roast the pistachios. We add a bit of orange zest to it, as well as a little bit of dark chocolate.
So fresh.
Cannoli fresh. What is that?
And over here, a little taste of our tiramisu. It is homemade. We make it here, and I want you guys to give it a taste. It is a specialty of my nonna, so we thought of bringing it here as well.
I just want to tell you, everything is so fresh here. It is so beautiful here. There's nothing like where we are on Columbus and 109. Thank you so much for having us on Flavors of New York. This has just been spectacular from beginning to end. Vegetables, pastas, pizzas, fish, you name it.
Literally, I was joking when we got here. I said we're in the Guam of New York City, but honestly, it was so worth coming up to the Upper West Side. Super delicious, such a feast, and I cannot wait to come back and tell all my friends and family.
Here's to Verdello. Thank you, Ari.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers.